I'm very excited. This is my first time पहली बार perform कर रही हूँ live audience के सामने, that too on 31st and in Nagpur. So I'm very excited. It's going to be chilly and I've heard that the audience is great. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि Nagpur audience is one of the best audience. So I'm very excited and my acts are ready. I'm doing two entries, Western, Indian with one of my favorite songs, like all of my favorite songs, even costume, everything is full on ready. I'm just waiting for 31st कब आए and I go and perform.
So are you really fond of dancing as well?
Yes, yes, I love dancing. I think किसको dance पसंद नहीं है? Everybody loves dancing.
Talking about a career, you started your career from your career with Christian Uday. So Ajay Devgan, Tabu, whoever started that काम किया है, बहुत experience. How did you really feel like?
Great. I worked with a director like Nishi sir. I think as a newcomer, it's great to work with a director like that because he's so comfortable to work with. He's so nice and he gives you your space. At the same time, he's there to always kind of support you. Then Ajay sir, Tabu ma'am, and Rajesh sir. Like there's so many brilliant actors in the film. So automatically, आपका performance भी शायद कहीं improve हो जाता है because you want to give your 200% because you don't want to be that person who's not performed in the film. So I think a lot of credit goes to all my co-actors for constantly supporting me. So especially Ajay sir, he would always rehearse with us and everything was very comfortable. So ऐसा लगा नहीं कि it's the first time on set.
So do you think that the debut of Krishnan was perfect for you?
Yes, of course. I think as an actor सबको people want कि पहला जो काम मिले उसमें performance related कुछ करने को मिले था and I got that in my very first film and I have shared the screen with such brilliant national award winners. So I think as a newcomer, or what else can you ask for?
The film was liked by critics as well as viewers, but commercially didn't create much success. So वो असर करता आपको है या नहीं?
I think no, it did. For me, it did commercially well also. Yes, it's not like the other films because it's a different subject. इसमें songs उस तरह के नहीं है. You don't have an item song or there's a certain audience who would probably relate to it. But what I'm seeing of late is that it's been showing so much on TV. A lot of people have been watching it. So, like people are going and watching it 2 times, 3 times. Like I have fans who message me on Twitter, on Facebook that we've seen it 3 times, 4 times. मतलब लोगों को पसंद आ रही है वो देखना. And I think one of those films which you always want to go back and watch. I think Drishyam is that kind of a film.
And how confident do you think that your sister of Tanushree Datta will make her debut of no face? वो कितना confident?
Of course, because like the day I came to know I'm performing for Country Club regarding my costume or how I should go about it, she's just next room में मैं जाके पूछ सकती हूँ कि अच्छा दीदी क्या करूँ मैं, how what do I do, what do you think I should wear. So she's like this constant guidance जो मेरे साथ है. So I think it really makes a lot of difference because she's the biggest support in my life. She is the reason I am probably here today.
And Tanushree Datta is bold kind of a character. So in the future अगर आपको उस तरह के bold character मिले तो would you accept that kind of thing?
See, I'm an actor, so I think the script is very important. Whatever is there in the script, it's not about deciding and actually bold करूँगी. It's just the script in the end of the day. And if it requires something like that, so yeah, maybe.
But as an actor, what is your choice of role basically? What kind of role?
Everything. I'm an actor. I don't have particular कि अच्छा सिर्फ serious करना है, अच्छा सिर्फ song related कुछ करना है. I want to do comedy. I want to do serious cinema. I want to do art films. Everything. Like I would really want to explore.
Before doing Drishyam, you have done South movies as well. So how was that experience being in the South?
Very good. I think I'm being very lucky कि सारे जो मैंने काम किया है, I've always associated with very good people जिन्होंने बहुत support किया है. It was very comfortable. Even एक different language समझना और सीखना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. But I didn't face that because my director he was very 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 comfortable to work with. He made sure that ऐसा लगे नहीं कि अच्छा आपको language नहीं आता. So I think I'm blessed that way that I work with very good people.
In general, how do you celebrate Christmas or Happy New Year?
Christmas and New Year generally depends. Some years mostly it's with family. We go out or we have a house party where we सारे हम लोग के relatives घर पे आते हैं. And Christmas में when I was very small, I think my main focus used to be the Christmas gift जो मुझे सुबह को मिलता था. तो मेरा पूरा focus सिर्फ gift पे होता था. But it stopped eventually.
So this year, are you just inclined towards acting or direction, production or singing? Any other hidden talent you
Acting,
have?
acting. I think I just see myself as an actor. That's it. For now.
And down the line, 5 years, so what things do you want to see more? क्या करना चाहती हो?
I would want to do a lot of different type of roles. I would want to explore comedy, action. Um, yeah, that's it. That's what I've thought. Like I think you can't decide really कि क्या होने वाला है. But I just hope I trust God. I know कि जो भी होगा अच्छा होगा मेरे life के लिए.
Want to be for?
Yes, I would want to wish all the viewers Merry Christmas and a very, very, very Happy New Year. 2016 is going to be fabulous for you, for me, for everybody. एंड प्लीज़ हैव फन एंड दोज ऑफ यू प्लीज़ कम जो नागपुर में रहते हैं, आओ हमारे शो देखो 31st को, 30th को फॉर मीट एंड ग्रीट एंड 31st कंट्री क्लब नागपुर। थैंक